The sun was shining bright over the farm. JJ, YoYo, and TomTom from Cocomelon were visiting the pond with their parents. "Look at all the ducks!" YoYo squealed. "They're swimming!" Quack, quack, went the big ducks, gliding across the water like little boats. But near the edge of the pond, there was one little duckling all alone. It was fuzzy, yellow, and peeping softly. "Why isn't that one swimming?" asked JJ. The little duckling wobbled toward the water, then stopped. It peeked at the pond, then backed away. "Oh," said YoYo. "I think it's scared." TomTom crouched down. "It's okay, little ducky. You'll be swimming in no time." JJ had an idea. "Let's help it feel brave." First, JJ sang a soft tune. "You can do it, little friend. Just take your time. Your wings will float, and you'll do fine." The duckling looked up and gave a tiny peep. Its mama waddled over and gave it a gentle nudge with her beak. The duckling waddled again to the water's edge. It dipped one little webbed foot in. Splash! Then the other. Everyone held their breath. Plop! The duckling was in the pond. JJ and YoYo clapped. "You did it!" they cheered. The duckling wobbled, flapped, and wiggled in circles. Then, whoosh! It paddled just like the big ducks. Even better, it giggled. Well, duckling giggles sound like happy peeps. Soon the other ducklings joined in, swimming in a little ducky circle. The mama duck quacked proudly. "You're a real swimmer now," said TomTom. JJ held out his hand. The duckling swam close and gave a tiny splash. "Splish splash," laughed JJ. "Today was its very first swim," said YoYo with wide eyes, "and we got to see it." The Cocomelon family waved goodbye to their new feathery friend as the ducklings floated happily under the sunset. As they walked home, JJ whispered, "I was a little scared when I first swam too." YoYo nodded. "Me too, but it's always easier with friends around." And somewhere behind them, the little duckling peeped, as if to say, "Thank you." Because sometimes courage comes in tiny splashes.